that, bro? Where?
Pause! What is that?
Oh, what the hell?
It's good, gang.
What's going on? Where you came from?
You know, lurking, some shit like that.
Dang. You just gonna pop up like that? Hoodie all off? You good?
Yeah.
It's cold, bruh.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah. It's cold, bruh. It's cold.
Yo! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Social KT. I'm back here. Finally, after months of no content, we are back, man. Today's video, bro. He has one of the craziest, if not the craziest, well, shit, the craziest V6, yes, V6 charger in the fucking state. Yeah, I fucking said it, bitch. Fuck you looking at? Okay. Y'all welcome him to the channel, man. Jay.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy 36J. Y'all can follow me on you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. 36J got the fastest NA V6 in state of Florida. 60 to 120, 50 120, 40 120. Anybody want to lock in? You can come get it.
Oh shit. My bad. So yeah, man. Let's get to this motherfucker. Make sure you sub, like, and fucking share, bro. Let's go. But yeah, dog. But that's when it blasted on my face, and I was like,
Bro, what?
What?
oh, you got that?
Chat. What are you talking about, bro? Better get back in the car. All right, I gotta go. All right, for sure. Fuck!
Yo, but let's get into this, man. All right, Jay, bro. Just give me a little walk down, like, about your car, bro. What got you to the V6 charger? What to a charger? How did that go? Like, you know, like, what was that process?
All right, bet. So the short story, like how I got this car. Yeah. So it was 2022. I was in the Army at the time, and I had a white Volkswagen at first, and it was cool, but I always wanted a Dodge. I didn't care for V6, RT, Cat. I didn't care. I was like, I just want a Charger. And I saw this one. I was like, all right, cool. This is not bad. Like, I didn't get, like, the car was bone stock. Like, my friends used to, like, mess with me and say, like, it looks like an undercover police car because it was, like, all blue. Like, it was, like, all that. But I really wanted a Challenger, though. I was really looking for a Challenger. I think Challenges look better than Chargers. That's my personal opinion. But I ended up getting it in May of 2022. And I have not looked back ever since, bro. I have not looked back ever since. So, done a lot with it. This car got me further than I expected, but it can't go nowhere. This is like one of the most legendary V6 chargers on the internet. Like, you can't look up V6 Mopar or V6 charger without seeing my name on there. Like, you can't. It's literally impossible. It took me a lot of places. Bro.
For sure. Hey, Chad, I'm not gonna lie, I think I just shit myself. But anyway, you know, y'all come take a close detail of the fucking hood, though. Fuck what I'm talking about, but look at the hood, bro. Can you give us like a background, like of how this came about?
It's an OEM Hellcat hood. I got it from a warehouse in Dallas. These hoods nowadays, bro, they're like an arm and a leg. Like, they're expensive. And I got this hood for $360, brand new out the box. Like, it was unpainted. It got sun bleach. It was all bad. So I ended up spray painting it black. And then after a while, I was like, forget, I just want to wrap it. And everybody was doing a satin black hood or a gloss black. I was like, I want something different. And I saw a forged carbon. And this is like now like my staple. Like, any one of my cars will have a forged carbon hood. I don't care what kind of hood it is. It's gonna be forged carbon. So this is like my staple, like my cars and stuff like that. So
I ain't gonna lie, this hard. That is raw. All right, bro. Next question I have for you, bro. What modifications have you done to your charger?
So started with exterior. First, we'll start from the front all the way to the back. So first, OEM Hellcat hood, wrapped in black gloss, forged carbon, Icon Motorsports front splitter, one piece. They actually don't make these no more. Like, I had a lot of 3-piece ones, but it broke. But I've had this one on the car for like almost 4 years.
Okay.
Next thing, 5 spokes. I've been waiting to get 5 spokes for a minute. The ones I had were Daytonas, but everybody got Daytonas. But I like the gunmetal, the satin gunmetal. What's it called? 5 spokes, because I think they compliment the car a lot instead of just keeping the car black and blue. Next thing, probably just a little window louver from Amazon, like $10. Carbon spoiler and wicker bill, and taillight tips, carbon diffuser, 5-inch tips to make the car scream, because this thing is dumb loud. So yeah, that's everything exterior wise that I can think of. Starting with interior, carbon fiber steering wheel. I got 450 stars inside, ambient lighting. That's it for the interior. As far as performance wise, and a lot of people don't believe it. Like, there was a rumor, if you go deep into our YouTube channel, there was a rumor that I was on night shift for a little bit because the car moves. Like, if you see the car, I'm not telling nobody how much horsepower I make, because if I tell y'all, a lot of y'all gonna be like, there's no way. But if you see the cars that I beat, you can guess how much horsepower that I'm making. But as far as performance-wise, I had a spec tray cold air intake, stock manifold, nothing's ported. A lot of people think I have a ported manifold or a ported throttle body. No nitrous, I don't know why. I don't know where that came about. But also, big shout out to Underground Tuning. Shout out to Ahmed, Jordan, Fatima, the whole team. This is the company that sponsored my car for the tunes and everything. So the reason why my car moved the way it moved is because of Underground Tuning. So shout out to them. Make sure y'all go get your Underground Tune, man. Tone 360 sent y'all. Oh, I'm on e-bike lower springs. Self-level the lower springs. I got like a 2-inch drop in the back and a 1.5 in the front. And the car is wrapped around with Nitto tires, NT 555s, G2s. It's like a pretty good tire compound that I don't spin because, yeah, I'm running 295/40 in the rear and 275/40 in the front with 20-inch rims. So that's just about it for performance-wise I can think of. To go into the tune, it's just basic 93 tune, engine tune, and trans tune. If you can't get a built trans, a trans tune will do just as fine. That's a big reason why my car could do what it does, because that trans tune helps a lot. But that's pretty much it in a nutshell, bro. Like, that's pretty much, I got a lot coming for the car. Like, this car is gonna upset a lot of people in 2026. Like, so you're gonna see. Who knows? I might throw a bottle on there. I don't know yet, but we're gonna see. Yeah.
Chat, he's lying to us.
No, yeah, and
Chat,
you
he's been lying.
there is a supercharger, but yeah.
Care to explain?
It's good now. It's good.
Yeah, dog. That when that shit slapped me in the fit.
I don't know what he is talking. Look, I don't know. Look, bro, I'm not gonna lie. I got some good, bro. I can't even do that.
Alright, next question for you, bro. What's the craziest things that don't happen with you with this car, dog?
All right, are you talking about racing? Or are we talking about stuff that dealing with Mexico PD? We talking about it's a lot. I can deal with a lot, but I think some of the craziest things I done did with this car. I'll never forget. I was in Memphis, and I didn't realize I was racing an undercover Charger. I was driving back from Cincinnati, and I come back. That's back when the car was bone stock, like had stock tune, stock tires, everything. And I'm cutting up in traffic, and the whole time this is a Memphis police. I'm like, okay. Out of nowhere, a Trackhawk flew past me. It's all on my Snapchat. A Trackhawk flew past me. I was like, okay, thank God he wasn't going after me. Yeah, that's probably one of like the craziest things I done say, like, I done happen with this car, bro. I done did some crazy shit with this car. Like, this car surprised me a lot, like, with the races that I have. Like, I've beat 5.7s on my YouTube channel. There was a BMW X5 truck, blew the doors off it. He so claimed to be making 550, and I put like 2 cars on him. That's all on my YouTube channel. But god damn, that boy ain't brakes. That's a striker. That's a strike. Like, this car, it don't move like a stock 6. Like, it does not move like a stock 6 at all. So the car has definitely surprised me a lot. Like, a lot of crazy stuff with it.
But he don't got none on the Malibu though.
Man, I don't want no smoke with that.
No smoke.
That is a 2,000 horsepower twin turbo supercharged 50 shot of nitrous Malibu. That's a Malacat.
If people might be listening, wrong people might be listening.
You can have that. I don't want no smoke. I know my spot. I know my place.
All right, bro. Next question I got for you, bro. How did you get your sponsors?
Oh man, that's a good one. This car is sponsored through a few companies. But my main sponsor that most people know, like in the entire YouTube community, is Underground Tuning. Like, Underground Tuning is my biggest sponsor, like one of my biggest supporters, because they took a very big risk in sponsoring me, and me putting out what I put out, bro. It's crazy. So the way I got sponsored with Underground was I got the car tuned. I just started doing shit with the car. I just started posting POV videos with the car and just saying, like, you know, Underground, if you see this, you know, sponsor me, da 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 da. I remember I was at work one day. I just get a call, and it's from Underground Tuning for like when they sent out my PCM and everything to get a tune. And Jordan was like, hey, is this Mr. Jaden? I was like, yeah. And he was like, hey man, we got a new tune for you. Try this out. And after that, it's a murder she wrote, bro. Like, they've been extremely helpful with this build. They play a very big role in my story for sponsorships and all that. But if y'all want to get sponsors, bro, there's nothing wrong with just asking. There's nothing wrong with sending an email. There's nothing wrong with sending them a letter, like writing a letter, say, hey, my name is such and such. I do this. I would love to be sponsored with your company. I can do this. We can work with this, that. all that stuff, bro. Like I have I had a partial sponsorship with Rip Mods for the Rip Supercharger for the Pro Charger for the V6. I got a partial sponsorship with them. I emailed them and I was like, look, I want to have your product, and you know I want to work, and you know they told me their tips. At the time I couldn't do it because that's when I first had my son. I had a bunch of stuff going on, but now look, like now going back, it's a very, I haven't told my channel, but I'm probably gonna be boosting the car next year for sure. So y'all gonna see it on his channel, not mine, but yeah, I'm probably gonna pro charging the car real soon through Rip and doing a partial sponsorship with them. But yeah, bro, to get it sponsored, you just ask, bro, just ask. Sometimes they may hit you back, sometimes they won't. Like I done work with companies from all over the world that want to just work with me, like from all the way from like my headlights to my tunes, bro. Getting a sponsorship is easy, just ask. Like just don't be afraid to ask. Like there's nothing wrong with, you know, throwing yourself in a pool and going to swim, because if you don't, a closed mouth don't get fed, bro.
In short words, he just saying stop being a bitch. You feel me? Just start being a bitch ass nigga. Yeah,
don't be
bitch.
Just ask.
Talking to you.
Oh wow.
Bitch ass nigga.
Wow. Wow, man.
See this nigga? Yeah, you. You. I'm talking to you. No, bitch. My bad. I'm sorry. Next question I got for you, dog. What is your daily driving motivation to keep you going every day, dog?
I say like my number one motivation is definitely my wife. So honestly, my wife is the reason why I started doing YouTube. Like a lot of people don't know that, but like if it weren't for my wife, she was my girlfriend at the time, I would have not started YouTube, bro. I was so scared to get on the camera, wherever people think, and like my first YouTube video, like my wife was right there in the background, coaching me, like teaching me how to do it. As far as like everything else, bro, it's like meeting people like you that like I see that want to go get it and like are chasing content and is actually genuine with content, bro. Like good people really motivate me, because like I get messages on that daily. Like the best feeling as like a creator is seeing people say that your content motivates them to continue to make content, bro. Like you motivate me a lot to continue to go. Like it, trust me, the sky's the limit. So seeing you come out here and get this content and do what you do, bro, it's definitely motivation. So
yeah, I drove hours.
Yeah, bro. We've been planning this video for
a minute.
I think since like the summertime. I just been busy, bro. But like it's always a pleasure to like when I see people like enjoy my content for like who I am, and I don't know, just you know, just being genuine, bro. Like that's what motivates the most. Like just nice, doing genuine things, doing nice things. Like that's my number. That's like my number 2 thing for sure.
Nigga, you cool? Sometimes we want to smack the shot of this nigga, dog. Bro, put the camera down. Come here, bro. Come here, bro. Come here.
Joy. A few moments later.
Yeah, but this time I went on his face with it, fam.
I don't look. I don't know what he's talking about. I don't know what he's talking about. Look at him.
Bro, why you always recording, bro? Like you recording at the wrong times, fam. Now my people go see this. You feel me? Like, come on, bro. Hell, man. Bro, I can't stand you, dog. Just give me a sec. Alright, we good. Oh, ass nigga. Stop fucking laughing. Yo, you mind giving me a POV driver in the whip, bro? You know? Oh. I'm not gonna lie, I just calmed everywhere.
I'm gonna give y'all 3 pulls. I'm gonna do a 30, 40, and 50. 60s don't really hit you, but I don't really do 60 rolls.
Okay.
We're gonna do a 30, 40, and a 50. And I'm gonna show you when we get on this road over here.
Okay, cool.
So, hopefully we're not again. Alright, man. We can wait for this light to change.
2,000 years later.
So, how's life been treating everyone?
Life swell, man. Life's been swell.
Life been punching me in my shit.
Got him. Look. To the camera, look. Cops in there right now.
Hey, buddy. Nothing to worry about. Ain't gonna lie, we get pulled, we all going to shit.
Look at that.
3 niggas in a Charger? Oh yeah, welcome.
There we go.
What's that?
It's a Nissan Sentra.
That was that Sentra? Fuck, I just butchered the fuck out of it.
Hopefully I'm putting custom.
motherfucking fun as shit to drive, bro.
Bro, it's just like, it's not the fastest. Look, and this is what I'm gonna say, bro. It's not the fastest on the road. It's not the slowest on the road. But I'm telling you, bro, when I get to really open it up, bro, like the car is fun. Like when I get to actually like push it, the car is fun to drive, bro. Like it's just a fun car. Like yes, it's a V6, but it's still fun. And it hits hard. Like it hits pretty hard.
And bro, like,
for how it is.
I be trying to tell people, bro, just enjoy.
Yeah, just enjoy what you got, bro.
Yes.
Like, make what you have the best of it.
Yes,
like,
bro.
Make what you have the best. Make what you have the best of it, bro. Like I have a lot of I have the same amount of fun that niggas with Hellcats have, bro. So it's the only difference why I don't got a 6.2, I don't got a supercharger. Like it's still, in my opinion, it's still like for me personally, it's a one-on-one build. There's not many like it, and you don't see it on the street like that. So like I don't know, the car is fun.
Yo, and that's gonna wrap up this video, bro. Make sure you sub, like, and share. Y'all boys, make sure y'all go follow Jay on his Instagram. Also go subscribe to him on YouTube.
Lock in, man.
All right there on the car.
Yes, and make sure y'all subscribe to my dog too, man. Up and coming, bro. I'm telling you.
Yes.
Taking over this content shit, bro.
Subscribe. More content is coming.
Yes. Subscribe.
Help me help you.
I'm saying the same thing, bro. That's what we doing. Matter of fact, are y'all subscribed right now?
I guarantee they ain't.
Are they subscribed?
I can guarantee they ain't. You hit that button?
Be your own mans. Be your own mans.
No, I'm talking to you. No, nigga, I'm talking to you.
Yeah, you. Hold on. Yeah, you. Hold on. Yeah, you. Hold on.
Wait,
Yeah, are you subscribed, cuz?
Yeah, I'm subscribed, bro.
Are you subscribed, bro? Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my boy's YouTube channel, bro. Wow. Make sure y'all subscribe to my dog YouTube channel, man. Like, comment, subscribe, bro. Up and coming, bro. Keep going. Don't stop, bro. Don't stop.
I'm not.
Gas.
I'm not.
Stay on the gas, bro. Stay on the gas. Like, comment, subscribe, bro. This is coming from your boy 36, man. Cameraman, all your edits and everything. Tell them where they can find you at, bro.
Hey, William Doxa at Instagram. You feel what I'm saying? That's who I am. You feel me? Hey, tap in, bro. We locked in. So what's up?
Nigga, you good?